Hey, how's it going? In this video, we will be going through how to automatically generate a PDF from a form submission. To such effect, we will be relying on fill-out forms and Airtable. So let's assume that we need to generate PDFs for non-disclosure agreements. Different use cases could be found in HR, customer feedback, and others. Let's move forward with a very lean base. We'll be capturing the date of the NDA, Party A and Party B to the agreement, and we'll have two additional fields on our table, which are attachment and form submission. Within attachment, we will store the PDF that gets generated as soon as the form gets submitted. And under form submission, it is best practices to store the actual ID that gets automatically generated by Fillout for each specific submission. So let's go straight into Fillout and see how we will build this. We'll create a new form, and we will make sure that we select the connect option, the Airtable integration. As mentioned, Fillout has a direct integration with Airtable. Let's select the light theme, and you will be prompted to either log into your Airtable account to do this connection, or just to select your corresponding account if you're already logged in. I will select my account. You will need to select from the dropdown a given base where this record needs to be created. I will select my corresponding Fillout demo base and my NDA table. Let's call this NDA generating form. And do remember that Fillout allows you to have some nice display elements, such as an image, which you can change and you can select from a given link, from an upload, so on and so forth. You can have a nice heading, such as NDA generating form. And for last, let's finally map our field from Airtable. In this case, we will use the date field, which, by the way, you can set by default to today's date. And let's map Party A and Party B. Now, this is great. And if we now go to integrate and we check our mappings within the Airtable integration, you'll see how these Airtable fields are mapped to the corresponding Fillout question. Now, that is yet not enough, as we still need to actually generate the PDF. So if we go back for a second, what you will want to do is you will want to click on Generate PDF, and you will want to upload the corresponding PDF that you will be using as a template for the mapping. Once that is fully uploaded, you'll see how Fillout automatically finds specific fields or spaces where data from the form should be provided probably. Now we know that we are capturing the form on the corresponding form, the date on the corresponding form, I mean. So let's select the corresponding date. Let's select party disclosing to be Party A. As you can see, my template is also asking about mailing address. We are not capturing this on this demo. And for party receiving, we'll use information from Party B. Now, we'll want to save this or map whichever fields you still need to map. You'll exit. You'll go back to the Airtable integration, and you will need to add a new mapping. You'll map the attachment, which we now created the integration for. So you'll select from this documents logo, the corresponding PDF. And for last, as mentioned, we will also want to have form submission ID with the corresponding form submission ID. Let's update this. Let's publish our form. And let's give this a shot. If I say this is being submitted on this date between Mike and John, by submitting this form, I would be creating a new record in Airtable automatically that will have the corresponding date, Party A, Party B, and the corresponding attachment together with the form submission ID. So if I expand the detail of it, you'll see how this gets automatically mapped with the corresponding information from the form submission. Hope this helps.